My name is Tamara T, and in this video, I am going to explain to you how to make money on Instagram in 2025. This is a full beginner's guide that will help you make over $500 per day using Instagram. I personally believe that this is the newest, fastest, and simplest way to make money online this year because all you need is your phone and Wi-Fi to get started. After I explain to you how this entire system is set up, all it takes is 15 minutes per day to start making money on Instagram. And I promise you, this is something you've never seen before because this is a strategy that I discovered a few years ago when I got fired from my 9-to-5 job. That was the best thing that ever happened to me because I was able to make over $95,000 per month using Instagram. And I explain all of that in this YouTube video right here. Now, let me start off by saying that I am not telling you to go out there to become an influencer. You do not have to showcase your body in a bikini. You do not have to showcase your six-pack abs. You don't have to rent a Lamborghini or rent a mansion and try to impress people because this is not what we are doing. You do not have to become an influencer to make a lot of money on Instagram. I am also not telling you to do paid sponsorships. So we are not going on Instagram, cold DMing brands and hoping to land a paid partnership. That is not what this is about. So you can forget about that. This has nothing to do with monthly subscriptions. So for some countries on Instagram, you can have a monthly subscription where your followers can pay you a small fee to get access to exclusive content. We are not doing that as well. Because not only will you not make enough money by doing that, but it will require you to have tens of thousands of followers. What I am about to explain to you today does not require any followers at all. So if you are a complete newbie, you are a beginner, and you don't know what you are doing, do not worry. I got you. Just stick around to the end of this video and this will all make sense. Also, we are not offering some type of shopping on our Instagram account. So we are not trying to convince people to buy a physical product from us. That is not what we are doing. Not only does that take a huge amount of time to start up, but it is hard to convince people on Instagram to shop on your account and to buy whatever product that you are trying to promote. If you were to offer shopping on Instagram, then inventory will get involved, profit margins will get involved, and it's just too complicated to make money on Instagram. What I am about to teach you today is a strategy where you get to keep 100% of the profits. That's right, you are not sharing any profits with anyone. And finally, we are not doing sponsored posts. Sponsored posts is when companies pay you to post something on your Instagram account. Not only do you need a lot of authority to do this, but you also need a ton of followers, and you also need to be quite popular on Instagram to do this. Most of us are beginners with no followers, so this is not going to work. There is also no longevity to sponsored posts. It will only be a matter of time when a company no longer wants you to do sponsored posts. And if that happens, you no longer get paid. So forget about sponsored posts. Forget about all these 5 things. This is not the way to make a lot of money on Instagram. Instead, follow this new system that I discovered so you can make passive income on Instagram. If you are a beginner and you have never made any money on Instagram before, then I want to invite you to my free Instagram training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch my webinar to the end because you get to book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will walk you through beginning to end how to set everything up so you can have an additional stream of income. Okay, so here is how the new system works if you want to make over $500 per day on Instagram. It all starts with having a professional Instagram account. Having a professional Instagram account will show you analytics, and this will set you up as a personal brand on Instagram. We are trying to reach as many people as we can organically on Instagram. There are no paid ads involved, so don't worry about that. So what we have to do is have a professional Instagram account, and our goal is to stop a user from scrolling. We want the 2 billion active users to focus on our Instagram account. And I will explain to you how that works in just a moment. Second, we need to have a niche or a theme for our account. So having a niche or a theme on your Instagram account is going to build authority and connection with people who land on your account. For example, my niche on Instagram is make money online. I am all about teaching people how to make money online. So if you have experience or skill sets that you want to share with your audience, then maybe that can be your niche. In this YouTube video, I talk about all the best niches for Instagram so you can make the most amount of money. Make sure you watch that video. You want to be the go-to source for whatever niche you are in. For example, since I teach people how to make money online, I want to be that go-to person. I want Instagram users to be showing their friends and family, hey, look at Tamara T's Instagram account. She teaches people how to make money online. She's posting engaging content. She's making content, and I want to learn from her. I want people to see that I am the authority for that niche. And through my content that I am posting on Instagram, I want to build connection. If I am not connecting with people on Instagram, then they will never pay me for any product or service that I have. This is why it is so important that you know how to create good content on Instagram that makes people want to pull out their wallets and give you money. This is when we need to create Instagram Reels. If you are new to Instagram, then Reels basically mean that they are short form videos. Usually my Instagram Reels are between 3 seconds to 60 seconds long, and I post 1 reel per day. Once my reels get posted on Instagram, Instagram is trying to push my reels to an audience who may be interested in learning how to make money online. This is why you need a niche to build authority, connection, be the go-to source, and then you use reels to teach other people on Instagram how to do something. And you can share your experience and expertise through Reels. The whole purpose of creating and posting Instagram Reels is so you can attract the right audience who will be interested in your niche and what you have to say. And it is used to increase visibility. Like what I said earlier, once I post a reel onto Instagram algorithm will know who will be interested in learning how to make money online. So for example, if your niche is teaching people how to cook, then once you post a reel about cooking, Instagram's algorithm will have an idea for who your audience is, and they will place your reel about cooking in front of that audience. So what we are trying to do is get users to engage with our reel. The more engagement we get on our Instagram reel, the more views we get. The more views we get on Instagram, the more likely someone will pay us for our products and services. Engagement on Instagram means that a user is double tapping on your reel. This means they like your reel, or they leave you a comment in the comment section because they have something to say about your reel. That is what we are trying to do because engagement will drive more views. Also, when you post Instagram Reels around your niche, it has a chance to go to the Explore page. So on the Explore page, it is going to showcase your reel to even more people. And that's what we want. We want traffic. We want as many people as possible to come onto our Instagram account and see what we are about. This is called driving traffic to our Instagram account. If we have no traffic on our Instagram account, then we do not make any money because obviously we need people to stop scrolling, to check out our reels, to check out our account and see what we are about. We are trying to get as much traffic as possible. You can also drive traffic to your Instagram account using YouTube or different social media platforms like Facebook or TikTok. For example, I have my Instagram handle stamped on this video. I am trying to drive traffic to my Instagram account so you can learn from me. So when we are driving traffic, we also want to have a call to action on our reels and on our Instagram bio. So when we are driving traffic to our Instagram account, we want users to take action. This is when you have a call to action. This means we want someone who is scrolling on Instagram to either comment a specific keyword or they can visit the link in our bio. The link in your bio is powerful because now we are taking a user off Instagram so they can check out whatever service or product we are trying to promote on Instagram. So the key here is to drive traffic to get views, and views turn into leads, and leads turn into customers. Just imagine if you can drive a lot of people to your Instagram account through creating and posting reels, then more people will be checking out what you have to offer. And when you build connection with your audience, they will be inclined to pay you for your services, which leads me to creating a digital product. So obviously, if you want to make money on Instagram, you need to be selling something on Instagram. And since this is an online business, the best way to make money on Instagram is to sell a digital product. Now you may be thinking, what is a digital product? Think of ebooks, masterclasses, online courses, online training, online consulting. Those are all digital products. And selling digital products on Instagram has made me over $1 million per year. Now, that may seem impossible for you as of right now because you are a beginner, but I promise you, if you do all this and you get this system set up, it only takes 15 minutes per day to post one Instagram reel to reach more people. Remember, the goal is to reach as many people as possible and drive them to our Instagram account. They will learn something about our niche. And then all we need to do is create quality reels to educate them on a specific topic. Then we have a call to action and we turn that traffic into views. Views turn into leads and leads turn into customers for your digital product. So when you are selling a digital product, this is the most important part of this video. It has to be a product that is priced over $500. Now that may seem like a large number to you right now, but I promise you, if you are doing everything correctly and you are educating people on a specific topic, on a specific niche, they will want to learn from you because you become the authority and you have built connection and now you are the go-to person for your niche. If you want one-on-one help to set everything up, then again, I want to invite you to my free training in the YouTube description below. Sign up for that training so you can book a one-on-one consultation with my team and we will set this all up for you so you can start generating passive income this year on Instagram. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel and help me give this video a huge thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I will see you in my next YouTube video.